Hey kids, it's Mrs. Compton, and today we get to start off with a which doesn't belong. Now, I know it's been a long time since we've done one of these, so I want to remind you, when we're playing which doesn't belong, there's actually no wrong answer. So you just have to defend your mathematical thinking with reasons, right? So we have choice A, B, C, and D, and I want you to look closely at each of these graphs. And I want you to think about which one doesn't belong. This would be a really good time to hit pause while you look closely at the graphs. All right. So let's see here. Maybe you thought about, we've got 2 bananas on this graph, 2 bananas on this graph, and 2 bananas on this graph, but we've got 9 bananas on this graph. Maybe you say it doesn't belong for that reason. What else? Maybe you said, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples there, 6 apples there. Ooh, 6 apples here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples there. Well, they're all showing 6 apples, but maybe this one doesn't belong because we're actually showing the fruit. So maybe you said that. Or maybe you said, maybe you noticed super tiny. There are titles here. Fruits we love, favorite fruit, and no title. So maybe you said this one doesn't belong because it doesn't have a title. I bet somebody said that. Ooh, I think I know. Maybe you said this one doesn't belong because the bars are going this way instead of up. Like we would read this graph going up and this graph going up. So maybe you said that one doesn't belong for that reason. I'm so certain that there are things that you have thought about that I didn't get, but I just wanted to see if I could guess some of your things. Wave at me if I got one of your guesses or one of your reasons for something to not belong. All right, we are going to check out this graph here. It says students were surveyed about which field trip they would like to take. Write as many statements as you can to show what can be learned about the students' field trip choices from the bar graph. Okay, so let's do a couple of these together and then I'm going to turn it over to you. So we've got field trip choices. I can see at the bottom, there's the aquarium, the fire station, the children's museum, and the zoo. Okay, and the kids voted, and each line looks like it's worth 1 vote. So 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 11. So it looks like 11 people voted for the aquarium. I'm going to move this over so that I can type some of our ideas here. So we'll get out purple and small typing. So a true statement that I could write is 11 people voted for the aquarium. Aquarium. Did I spell that wrong? Yes. Aquarium. Trying again, right? Okay, so that's true. But also, I could figure out more things too. I could say 3 kids voted for the fire station. But I want you to think deeper. So I want you to really start to think about, maybe we could figure out how many kids voted altogether. Or we could think about how many more kids chose one thing than another thing, right? So I really want you to dig deep when we're thinking about this one. And I want you to write as many statements as you can to show what can be learned about this graph. You can also write questions for classmates to answer if you want to. See if they can get your questions right. That might be fun too. All right, kids, it's all you. It's your turn to write your true statements or maybe some questions. I'll see you next time. Bye.